How have you been since our last session, Mr. Smith?
Not too well, Doc. I mean, it's just getting bad. I mean, I keep getting phone calls all the time, but I just can't pick it up. I'm just scared, and they keep calling, and I just don't know if I can pick up the phones. I just can't handle it, Doc.
Well, Mr. Smith, you're at the final stages of your schizophrenic episodes. All you need to do now is answer the phone whenever it rings.
I don't know, Doc. What if they're... I mean, they could be a good person. What if they're a bad guy, and they find out what my phone number is and find my address and come to my house and kill me? No, I can't do it. No, I can't do it.
Well, Mr. Smith, just answer the phone. It'll be all right. There's no one that's going to come over to your house and kill you.
Well, I guess so, Doc. I'll give it a shot. I'll see you later. Same time next week?
Yes, Mr. Smith.
All right. Oh, God. I don't know what to do. Hello? 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 Who is this? Alright, this isn't funny. Who is this? Hello? That was weird. Jeez. Alright. Maybe I'm just hungry. Yeah, that's it. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's alright. God, what's wrong with me?